Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Mr. Porter, and welcome again to Circle Time Kids Club. I am so excited to know that you're out there learning today. Hey, listen, I got some friends in the class. Our friend again is Pete the cat. Do you know Pete the cat? You do? Pete, they know you, friend. They know you. Well, Pete says hello. Can you say hello, Pete the cat? Great! Pete, they're speaking to you, buddy. What do you say when someone speaks to you in the morning? You speak back to them, right, Pete? Say hello, Pete. Meow, 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 hello. Oh, did you hear, Pete? That is cat language that says, and Pete said, hello back to you. Also, we got some students in the class. Our student fish in the class, number one, which is the blue fish, is Leo. Can you say, hello, Leo? Wonderful. Leo, the class, says hello to you, Leo. What do you say? Oh, that is fish language. Leo says hello back. And the other student in the class name is Tyler. Can you say Tyler? That's right. Maybe there are Tylers out there. Hello, Tylers. How are you out there? Come on, Pete. Let's wait till the Tylers out there. Hello, Tyler. And everyone out there in camera land. Hello to you as well. All right, Tyler, you got to speak back to them. What do you say? Hello. Oh, Tyler says hello also in fish language. Now, Leo. Hello, Leo. Hello. Say it again. Hello. Say hello to Leo. Wonderful. You said hello to Leo again as well. Hey, listen. I got some exciting surprises for you today. Do you want to know what they are? Great! I am so glad you want to know what those surprises are. But first, we have to warm up this morning with another big stretch. Oh, that felt great. Can you stretch? Can you warm up your muscles in the morning with another big stretch? That felt great again. Oh, great. I'm so glad you know how to stretch. Good job. Hey, listen, can you help me sing the alphabet song? Wonderful. Let's sing the alphabet song, boys and girls. Ready, begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great, you sing your ABCs. I am so excited. Boys and girls, up. I hear a song coming on. I feel a song coming on. And it is the Circle Time song. Can you help me sing the Circle Time song, boys and girls? All right, I am so excited. You are going to help me sing the Circle Time song. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. I'm so glad you're learning today, learning today, learning today. I'm so glad you're learning today. Welcome to Circle Time. Wow, you are an excellent singer. Next, let's get started with saying the ABCs. Can you say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great! You just said your alphabet from A to Z. Wonderful. Okay, boys and girls, let's get started with our manners lesson. Hopefully you out there have been putting your manners into good practice. Hopefully you've been saying your pleases and your excuse me's and all of your thank yous. Hopefully you have been. Hopefully have you been saying please and thank you and excuse me? All right, great. I am so glad to hear that. You have been practicing your manners. All right. If your mom tells you to put on your shoes, do you start crying and throwing your arms all over the place and telling your mom no? No, you don't tell your mom no. Why? Because that might make mom sad. She may start crying. You don't want to make mom cry, boys and girls. You love mom, right? That is right. Hey, boys and girls, if you don't know how to put on your shoes, do you tell your mom, Mama, put my shoes on? No, you don't say, Mama, put my shoes on. You don't do that. How do you ask mom to put your shoes on, boys and girls? That's right. You say, Mom, can you help me? Can you say, Mom, can you help me, please? There it is. Mom, can you help me, please? Wonderful. Great. Good manners. If Dad asks for you, boys and girls, to put your coat on because it is cold outside, what do you say? Do you tell your dad, no, I'm not putting my coat on? No. Why? Because you might make Dad sad. So what do you tell Dad? You ask for help. You say, Dad, I need help putting on my coat, please. Can you say, Dad, can you help me, please? Wonderful. One more time. Dad, can you help me, please? Great. That is what you do. You ask for your dad to help put your coat on, please. And also, when it pertains to mom, you say, Mom, can you help me put on my shoes, please? Great. You're learning about manners. All right, I hear a song coming on, boys and girls. What is the sound of that song, Pete? What is the sound of that song that I hear? Oh, it is another Humpty Dumpty song. Oh, what's going on with Humpty over here? Is Humpty misbehaving again? Humpty, look at Humpty Dumpty. He's fallen off the wall again. Can you help me tell Humpty to behave and stay on that wall? Say, Humpty, behave. Stay sitting on the wall. Great! You sound excellent, boys and girls. Humpty, what's going on today, friend? You got to learn how to stay on that wall. And in your best country voice, can you say, boys and girls, Humpty Dumpty, stop falling off the wall? That was a funny voicing, wasn't it? Say it again. Say, Humpty Dumpty, stop falling off the wall. Great, you sound wonderful voicing that country accent. At least we think it's country anyway. Well, that was my very best of voicing a country voice. All right, let's get sophisticated with it. Boys and girls, can you tell Humpty Dumpty in a sophisticated way, Humpty Dumpty, stop falling off the wall? Great! You sound so sophisticated, boys and girls. Say it again. Tell Humpty Dumpty in your loudest sophisticated voice or voice of sophistication. Humpty Dumpty, I said please stop falling off the wall. There you go, boy. I tell you, you also know how to do some voices. You hear me? Okay, I know you did. All right, let's get into this Humpty Dumpty nursery rhyme. Humpty, I tell you, keep us singing this nursery rhyme, Hump. All right, here we go. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men could not put Humpty together again. And why could the horses, the king's men, and the king not put Humpty back together again? It is because Humpty is, that's right, Humpty is an egg that constantly falls off of that wall. Behave, Humpty. Nice shoes, by the way. All right, boys and girls, I tell you, it is so much fun we have together. And now I am going to share with you once again a flag. Oh, what is the flag that you see? What is the flag that you see, boys and girls? This is the American flag of the United States of America. Can you say American flag? American flag. American flag. American flag. Great! You said American flag. Wonderful. You sound great, boys and girls. All right, what are the colors that you see in this American flag? There is the color red. Can you say red? Red. Red. Wonderful. You said the color red. All right. What is the next color that you see in this beautiful American flag of these United States? The next color is white. Can you say white? White. White. Outstanding. You said the color white. Smart. You are smart. All right, boys and girls, what is the next color of this American flag? All right, Pete, get in on this now. I don't hear you back there. Pete says that the next color of this American flag is the color, what, Pete? Ooh, what did Pete say? Pete said the next color of the American flag is blue, blue, blue. Can you say the color blue, blue, blue? Wonderful. You said the color blue. All right, lastly, boys and girls, lastly, boys and girls, what shape do you see on this beautiful American flag of the United States? The shape is a shape of a star. Can you say star, star, star? That's right. These are shapes of stars or star shapes, and there are a lot of them in the American flag. Boys and girls, do you see another American flag on the screen out there in camera land? Where is the American flag that you see? Pete, where is the American flag, buddy? Leo Tyler, come on, get into the lesson. Learn today, my friends. All right, boys and girls, where is that American flag? Where is it? Is it here? No. Where is the American flag? Where is it? Where could it be? Is the American flag here? No, that's not the American flag. That is Humpty Dumpty misbehaving today, and he's not staying on that wall. As a reminder, Humpty, you got to stay on the wall, my friend. Oh, where is that American flag? Where is it? Is this the American flag? Boink. No, this is not the American flag. This is my nose. Can you point to your nose, boys and girls? Oh, look at all those beautiful noses out there. All shades of noses. Oh, we have brown noses. We have white noses. Ooh, beautiful noses out there. All colors of noses. And what do you do with your nose, boys and girls? Can you take a deep breath in? That is how you use your nose. You use your nose for breathing. That's right. Where is that American flag? Where is it? Is this the American flag? Correct. This is the American flag. You found it. You're smart.